So we're back with a brand new product. This is myFirst 3D pen make model. This is a 3D pen that you use filament to specifically build, and you can build in 3 dimensions. It's a really cool tool that children can use to specifically get an idea of 3rd-dimensional artwork, which is really awesome. Let's open this up, talk a little bit about what you get inside, and then we'll show off how it works. Okay, right here, a little piece of plastic. We've got the myFirst stickers and labels that they always give out with their cool products. Kids really love them. We've got a little manual here, kind of a safety guide. We have the full user manual here. And it looks like it's got some descriptions of how to draw and create certain things. That's awesome. And then we have the charging cord here for the device, USB-A to USB-C. We have a bunch of different types of filaments. This is PCL, and it appears to be 9 colors of 27 millimeter filament. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 9. Airtight, because moisture is horrible for filament. And then this is the actual pen. It's got 2 settings, 1 and 2. It's got the on setting, you've got a finger for the extruder, and you've got a button that's right here as well. It's warm, but it's not too hot on the nozzle. And then it's got the USB-C plug right here on the base. So what they say, in the book at least a lot of, is that you can take this pen and you can draw certain things on a flat plane and then take them off, and then you can build them together after they've been flat. So for instance, you could build multiple walls for a shed, hut, or house, and then you could adhere them together, and then from there you'll have like a full structure. They actually built a whole Eiffel Tower at CES in their booth, which is really cool. A lot of them doing that all the night before. So it's feeding in right now. So now we built these 2 pieces here, and then once they solidify, you can take this piece here, you can just kind of bend it to get them off, similar to how you would do with like a 3D printer bed. And so now, So I've now taken them and I've actually built them similar to that of like a tent like structure. And now, because I built this tent-like structure, I now have a three-dimensional shape for my build. And if I want to, I can even start building up from my structure onto other things and going more and more. But it's just really cool how you can build these shapes and then build out from them. So for instance, say this item right here, I wanted to fill in more of those gaps. Now that I built the frame, I can build onto that some more. See, it's more of a solid kind of thing. Get in there. You can keep building and building and building, and this stuff dries pretty fast. It's, again, not too hot. And then when you time to release it, push this button. And out it comes for use in your next project. So now I'm going to give this to my little daughter and see if she can build something really cool with it as well. We'll be right back. Gotta color the inside too. The sooner you get your child into creative works like this, the faster you'll see them being able to produce products on their own. And it's a great way to get them interested in a really crafty area of design. Hopefully you guys like this. Hopefully your kids like this too. We will see you guys next time. Bye.